Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's topic is again quite interesting scenario which we will solve through the Power Query. Okay, so what is the scenario here? So scenario is this one. So this is your input. Okay, here let's take you are like entering the data for a cricket match. So we are having a team one, and these are the members of the team. The second team is there are three members are there. Okay, and while entering into the Excel, you have entered in a single column straight away. Okay, but when you import it into Power BI, I need the output like this. So it is like team one and team two. Like this is the team members and these are the team members. I like that columnar data for each and every team member. Okay, so how we can solve from here the input to this output? Let's see it. Okay, so first of all, let me close this Excel file and come back to my Power BI, and let's open the Excel file, which is nothing but I just created a advanced pivot and which I showed you just on the Excel file, and let's select the team, the table here, and just try to import it. Okay, you don't require the change type, let's leave it. Here the first point is we have a team one, team two, that should be a separate column, and all the members should be in the one column, right? So there's the two columns I need first of all. So for that, what I need to do first. So let's take a conditional column here, okay, and make it as like custom. We'll change it later. So I will say teams. Uh, let's take begins with word called team. Okay, then I should get the column as teams. Else I should get null here. Okay, so based on this logic, what happened? Wherever the string start at team, TEAM, it will give you, otherwise it will be null. Okay, so now just to fill this up, so I will right click on this column, fill down. So I will get this column. So I have got one column called team one, team one, team one, and team two, team two, team two. Okay, now on this column, particular column, I don't require the team one and team two. Rather than I need the members only. So for that, go to the teams, text filter, and does not begin with just a negation. Okay, I will say team, whichever is not start with a team, I don't require. Now I have two columns here. So basically this is called my members. Okay, and this is my teams. Okay, I just rename it. Now from here, if you thought like, okay, what I will do a pivot immediately and I will get the data, right? Something like that. If you thought of, select the theme and transform and go to the pivot column and select the members, and in the advanced option, let's take don't aggregate. It will throw immediate an error because there is no anchor column in the pivot. So as you know that in pivot case of Power Query, we should have a anchor column so that we can do the pivoting. So now this option will not work out. Let's remove this. So what I will do to get the anchor value, I'll create a add column and I'll create an index column. Let 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's try to select the teams and go to your transform and pivot column and select any member, and I'm not selecting don't aggregate here. I will somehow get the data. The only problem here is that first of all it will fill the team A, and after that once it is filled up it will start the team 2. Okay, so but I need not like that. I need the team 1 and team 2 like that only, right? The Sumit should be here, Saroj should be on this row, and Kanika should be on this row. So like that I need the output, right? So the approach is correct here, but the index will not work out like this. So instead of that, the index should be for the each group. So what I will do is remove the add index tab. I will select the teams, and I will go to transform and click on the group by. Okay, then let it be. I will say all rows here. Then I will get for the team 1, I will get a table of all the members, and team 2, I will get all the members. Okay. Now on the group, on this group or the table, I will create the index. So I will go to add column, custom column, edit with the custom, and I will write a formula here. So I will take the formula called table dot add index column. So index column. So if we have given 2 times table dot add index column, it will take a table and a new column. So first of all, table is count, which is nothing but my table, and the new name I'm keeping as row number. Alright, okay. Now if I say okay, it is done. Now if you see here, the first row is 0 1 2, second also it is 0 1 2 1. Okay, now expand this. So what are the column I need to expand? I need to expand members and the row number. That's it. Okay, I will get it. Now I don't require this column. Let's remove this. Then I am getting the 0 1 2 0 1 2 everything. Now let's select the teams and click on your transform and pivot column. Now it will be the members and it will be the don't aggregate here. Okay. Now put the OK here. Now I don't require this RN. Let's remove it and go time to select transform data last time. I got my output what I'm expecting. Okay, so these are the steps. This is a scenario which will be really helpful. I will put the complete the M code. Okay, so if you put the advanced query, whatever the transformation I use it, and just replace this file. I will put the file as well, on the Google file, Google Drive, public places. I just put the file into your location and change the path, and rest of the things will be remain same, and it will work out. Okay, and hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to this channel for more interesting content like this. And thank you and have a nice day.